to generate a standard curve or calibration curve to measure the concentration of unknown samples.
Hi there, welcome to Knowledge Sapiens. In this video, you will learn how to create a linear standard curve to determine the concentration of unknown sample in Excel. Currently, you can see we have a data about the concentration of unknown samples and absorbance of unknown samples at particular concentration. First of all, we selected our given values such as standard values and absorbance values, then goes to the toolbar menu, insert, and after that in charts, and here we can select a scattered chart. When we select, after that there is multiple scattered chart, but we will select only a first one scattered chart. When we select a first scattered chart, then quickly draw a chart. After draw a chart, there is a in toolbar menu there are multiple options such as a format and chart designs. We in the chart design there are multiple options and everyone can select their chart according to their requirements. Second one is a color changes option and next one is a quick layout. But here we can select our first one, quick layout, and if someone want to choose someone else according to their requirement, they can choose it accordingly. Next, we will remove the grid lines. We will select the grid lines and we can remove it directly, or we can go to chart element, and here we can remove the grid line by selecting it. Next, we can add the trend lines. First, here we can directly goes to add here, right click and add a trend line here, and next one we can choose a chart element and add a trend line from here. And next we can remove all of these uh, legends because we don't need it. And next we can give this format on y-axis and x-axis. Here we can write the axis title directly, or we can go to the formula bar, put equal signs, and according to our values, when we select it, then automatically write it here. And we can do it y-axis, same as go to formula bar and select absorbance and enter the sec here. And we also write the title of our chart, then goes to formula bar, equal signs, and standard curve we put here. And we can change the size and colors of our access titles, such as we change the color black and it's a font format and font size according to our requirements. And same as if we want to same R format according to our desire, then go to the format printer, click it and drop every axis according to our requirements. Further, we can change the axis alternate values, then double click on these values and go to the axis option. Here is the multiple options such as axis options, tick mark, labels, and number. First we will select axis options. Here we can change the minimum or maximum values according to our requirements, because in standard values we measured only 50, and here we can put a 50 then according to the it. And furthermore, we can change the trend line color according to our requirements or our desires. Furthermore, we will double click on this one and go to access format. Here we can change the our trend lines, standard curve, size increase, width increase, and they also give a multiple other options. Furthermore, next we can double click on this one and then goes to the axis trend line options. Here is a multiple trend line options, but we will select already linear options. And here is a display equation on chart, and next one is a display R squared values on chart. After the display on chart, we can increase the visibility of our R square values and equation values. When we calculate this equation, standard line equation, we can use the standard line equation to calculate the unknown values of our samples. First of all, the val y is a value of our unknown samples. First of all, here the x equal to parenthesis y plus 0.0076 parenthesis closed divided by 0.0065, and we use this equation to measure the absorbance of our unknown samples, such as equal signs parenthesis open y plus 0.076 parenthesis closed and divided by 0.0065. This is a values of absorbance of the unknown samples. And first of all, we can directly drag to the last sample files, or we can directly double click at the corner of the end. They give us same values. By using this equation, we can measure the absorbance values of the unknown samples. If this video is helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Further, someone have some questions or problems in Excel, please write in comments and we will try our best to solve your problems or questions. See you in next video tutorial.